everyone, and welcome to Friday's celebration assembly. Are we excited, Betty? I know you're excited. You were in my office really early this morning, ready to tell everyone who has received the awards for this week. Now, you told me that you noticed a lot of children doing some fantastic work over the week, haven't you? Yes, and that you were really impressed by the good behavior you saw most of the children having, right? Yes, we're really proud of all of you for working really hard and making really good choices, including being kind and caring. And a lot of you really took up the challenge we put this week, and that was to do some more exercises. Did you do more exercise at home as well? How exciting is that? Now, are we ready for the awards? Are you ready? Yes, let's get started. Right, Betty? Take your seat. Right, now, first, for Going for Gold Awards. In Lee's class, we have Nevaeh for making a super start to life at Newlands, and Ella for taking great care when decorating an Elmer elephant. In York class, we have Jaden for always making the right choice and trying his best in everything he does. We also have Robbie for being a kind friend and helping to get the soap out of the dispenser. In Hull class, we have Henry. Henry did his very best copywriting this week. It was so neat. And then we have Anaya for working so hard in the number lesson. Anaya has a great mathematical mind. In Nottingham class, we have Gabe for super rewrite ink and trying to write over letters. We also have Ruben for sharing great ideas around our story, Tyrannosaurus Drip. In Liverpool class, we have Hubert for super mathematical understanding of place value. And we also have Julia, who tries hard with all of her work, and she has such lovely, neat handwriting. In Cardiff class, we have George for always having a super attitude in class. He tries hard and joins in well with lessons. We also have Jake K for putting his hand up to give answers and joining in discussions. In Edinburgh class, we have Zoe for writing imaginative and creative volcano-shaped poems this week, and Avi for the same thing, for writing imaginative and creative volcano-shaped poems this week. In Cambridge class, we have Scarlett for her beautiful harvest poem. She created a word bank full of ideas to help for her to write. And George for trying his best to improve his reading. Miss Lofthouse is proud of him and how fluent he has become. In London class, we have Joshua A for working hard in topic and being helpful to his classmates in his lessons. We also have Warren for working hard in full class maths lessons. In Oxford class, we have Cuba for participating in class and being confident with his answers. And Harley J for beautiful handwriting and care when presenting her work. In Chester class, we have Keegan for excellent effort making a PowerPoint and even helping other children to make their own as well. Well done to all of you children. We're really proud of you. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Well done. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. In Leeds class, we have Antonia and Kellen for super exercising after watching Spartacus. In York class, we have Harper for always eating all of the healthy school dinners, and Jackson for trying lots of different foods at dinner time. In Hull class, we have Jacob for eating some healthy pasta. At first, he said he didn't like it, then he ate lots and lots after trying a little bit. We also have Anna for fantastic passing skills in rugby with Beth from Featherstone Rovers. In Nottingham, we have Caleb for showing everyone how to do a push-up. We also have Violet for encouraging the class to exercise and stretch at playtimes. In Liverpool class, we have Isabella J for super enthusiasm in PE and all keep fit sessions. We also have Andy for great effort in the PE lessons. In Cardiff, we have Morny and Marcy. Both girls tried incredibly hard during the PE lesson and were enthusiastic about learning a new skill. In Edinburgh class, we have Charlie for the superb effort he made during swimming, becoming more confident and exercising well. And Ella for superb effort in swimming, giving her full effort and energy to the session. In Cambridge, we have Tyler for showing a positive mindset in all lessons. He always perseveres. We also have Daniels for keeping his body healthy by taking part in lots of sporting activities outside of school. In London class, we have Kian E and Addie. Kian E is for showing such enthusiasm for skipping at break time, and Addie is for showing a calm mindset when engaging in his dot-to-dot book. In Oxford class, we have all of Oxford class for trying new healthy foods at Bushcraft, and Kyla for choosing a healthy option when given both a choice of healthy and unhealthy. In Chester class, we have Jake in the category of healthy mind because he tried hard with managing emotions and developing positive relationships on the Year 6 residential. Well done to all of you. You should have a big hand. Excellent. And just another word about the Year 6 residential. We're really proud of all the Year 6 children who went to Bushcraft at Castle Howard. Y'all had an exciting time, and if you haven't seen yet, have a look on Twitter and you'll see loads of pictures of all the fantastic things the Year 6 children did this week. Well done to all of you. I'm so very proud, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.